We see students joining us from so many different backgrounds and different ages, different industries. So our youngest student has been 18, our oldest student last year turned 60 during the boot camp. Around 40% of every cohort is female. We'd love to get it to 50-50 every single time. The reason they come and join us is to gain hands-on practical tech skills to either change career, start a career in freelancing, or even set up their own business.
Here at the Wagon, we want to make the transition between classroom and workplace as seamless as possible. In order to do that, we inject as much industry experience into our content and also careers advice. Everyone's aspirations after the Wagon are going to be completely different, and we absolutely understand that, and that's why we have one-to-one chats with each one of our students to truly understand how to get them to their next step in their career.
I split my time between looking after our students and helping them develop their careers and building up our network of hiring partners. We help to prepare all of our students take their next steps in their career, whether that's helping them with their CVs, LinkedIn's, GitHubs, portfolios, coding challenges, technical interviews, or their post-bootcamp plans. The median amount of time it takes a student to get a job after the bootcamp is 38 days, and 75% of our students get a job within 3 months. We see our graduates going on to work at a variety of different companies, from small startups, scale-ups, tech giants and consultancies. On our job board we post regularly different roles available for our students, as well as our alumni being able to go back and post roles from their current companies. For those of our graduates who are looking to start their own company, we have the connections to put you in touch with VC funds, accelerators and startup incubators. Our career service starts at the beginning of the bootcamp but doesn't end at the end of the bootcamp. We're still here to support you through your journey after the bootcamp and when you've joined our 10,000 strong alumni community.